So as you can see here, there are many fat loss, weight loss, and bodybuilding videos on YouTube, and yes, take a look at the views all of these videos have. So if you watch this channel, you have probably guessed it by now. Yes, I'll show you how you can make $100 by using such videos, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm the Executive, and welcome to my channel where I teach you some of the fastest, easiest, and effortless ways to make money online for absolutely free. I post videos every single day, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an opportunity to make easy money online. Also, stay tuned for the giveaway announcement in this video because I will be announcing a winner soon. Now, let's get started with the video.
Step number 1. So first of all, head over to YouTube right away. Don't worry, you won't be needing to post any videos or even create an account on YouTube. All you have to do is find different videos. You can pick any niche you want. It can be fitness, business, sports, gaming, entertainment, fishing, hunting, anything that you like or you could think of. Now, whichever niche you select, make sure you pick useful videos. So if you select the finance niche, select a video that teaches you how to invest or how to start a business. If you are doing the cooking niche, select the recipe tutorial, or if you are doing the fitness niche, select a video that helps you lose weight fast or helps you to get clear defined abs or helps you with your nutrition. You get the general idea. So select the video that helps people in some way so that they think there is value in the content and are automatically gravitated towards the video. For this strategy, I will be diving into the fitness and weight loss niche and search something along the lines of the quickest way to lose weight. As you can see, all of these videos have millions of views, which is great. Now I'll be selecting this video with almost 9 million views by Brightside. Click on the video and you can see that there is a share button right here. Select that. After that, you will receive the URL that will take people to this video. Copy the URL which you will be sharing, and once you start sharing this, you will get paid using that website that I will talk about in step number 2. So to summarize, the first step, head over to YouTube, select the niche, pick any useful video from the niche and copy its URL. Now I selected the fitness and weight loss niche, but this strategy can be implemented using any niche. So you can select any niche of your liking, which I highly recommend as you will be a lot more interested in the process. The overall strategy will be more joyful to you. So if you like watching cooking, search for cooking tutorials. If you like watching any sports, well, search for sports and so on. But before that, I am starting a huge giveaway on this channel and you can win a MacBook Pro, an iPhone XR, a PS5, and $1,000. All you have to do is leave a like, comment the keyword hidden in the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember to watch the entire video. Doing this won't just help you make more money online, but also ridiculously spike your chances of winning this giveaway. Now that you know and you've already liked this video, let's begin.
Step number 2. Create a free account on shrinkme.io. Now you have to go to the site shrinkme.io and you have to click this register button and make a free account. But wait, let me tell you what shrinkme.io is. This website, shrinkme.io, is the way you'll be earning easy money from YouTube. What this website does is take any URL from the entire net and shorten the URL. Now if anyone clicks on your shortened URL link, you earn money. Many sites do this, but we're going to shrinkme.io because it has the minimum redeem amount limit. You can withdraw only $5, and very honestly, you'll get $5 within a couple of hours or even minutes of using my technique. If you see here, you'll know that you get $220 for every 10,000 views. That is $22 every 1,000 and $2.2 every 100 views. Sounds interesting, right? You can get paid from any of these options like PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Skill, and bank transfer. Now let's make a free account. Click on this register button. Then you have to choose a unique username for your account. For me, I'll use... Now you have to put your email address. Now for the password for your account, write it over here and rewrite the password below. Fill out the mandatory CAPTCHA. Click agree to the basic terms and conditions. I've checked it out for you and they're just basic website related terms and conditions, so just click agree. Now click the register button and that's it. You've made your free account. Now you'll see some stats over here. Your total views, your balance, that is the money you've earned from watching those YouTube videos, and your redeemable amount. On the left side is the withdraw option. When you've earned enough money to withdraw, click here and redeem your account. Before I proceed, I completely forgot to show you the money I received via PayPal from using the strategy that I'm showing you right now. So, just simple proof that you could get paid and actually make money using this strategy. Now, before you skip this part, keep in mind that the results may vary and you can earn less or even more than this. So make sure you watch the full video and do not skip any parts, as I will be guiding you through this step by step on how you will properly set up this strategy, and also provide you with a few smart tips that will help you maximize the profits without leaving any money behind. Moving on. Now go back to your shrinkme.io's dashboard. In the top left corner, you'll see this option to shorten the link. Click here on the new shorten link option and now paste your YouTube URL in the upper column. When you click shorten like this, ShrinkMe will give you a new shortened link. Whenever people will click on this link, you'll earn money every single time. Just copy this shortened link to your keyboard. Now we're on to the last step. This last step will make sure you make lots of money. Make sure to watch this entire step.
Step number 3. Now, after you have a shortened version of your link, you can start sharing it with others so that you can make money per click you get on that link. Now, the best way to promote this URL is by sharing it in a forum with active people. So to find a forum related to your niche, visit Find a Forum at findaforum.net. Now, Find a Forum is a website that helps you find different forums on vivid topics. So once you visit this website, click on the options button on the top left and click on categories. Then you will have these categories that you can select from, but if you don't find your specific niche or category, then click on Browse All Categories. After that, you will see that you have so many different categories that you can select from. So if you have selected a video on cooking, then you can click on food right here and you will have many different forums with thousands of active members who are actually interested in cooking. So you can paste your shortened link right here, and when they see that you are providing them with something free and not trying to sell them anything, then they will directly click on the link and you will get paid. Now, since we have selected a video from the health and fitness niche, you can select the diet and weight loss or health and fitness section under the health niche. After that, you will find many different forums where you can paste your URL, and since you are genuinely providing them with a way to lose weight through the YouTube video, they will click on the video instantly. Now, a word of advice, don't go around randomly spamming links in all of these forums. What you can do is write something like, "This video helped me lose 5 kilograms in 2 weeks, and is by far the best video on weight loss I have encountered so far." So you can get creative with the message, because the more conveying your message sounds, the more clicks you will receive on your links, and the more chances of getting paid.
Now, if you want to know how you can easily mine Dogecoins, then make sure you watch this video right here. Tell me in the comments below, what's your favorite holiday destination? Also, did you find the hidden keyword in the video? If yes, then make sure you enter it in the comments below and follow the given steps so you can stand a chance to win the giveaway. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video, and that's it for now. Now let's go make some money.